Hello children, welcome back to our fourth lecture. Today we will be starting with exercise 1.3. Now see, in the last video already we have discussed about certain test, that is for similarity of triangles. We have learnt SSS test, SSS test, SAS test, AAA and AA test. In congruence of triangle, we have learnt about SSS test, SAS, ASA, SAA and hypotenuse side test. Children, in the last video, I forgot to mention about this ASA test. So let me explain this now. In ASA test, if there are two triangles, if two angles are congruent, for example, here if I say this is triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR. Angle B will be congruent to angle Q and angle C will be congruent to angle R. Then the side which is included between them, that is side BC, will be congruent to side QR. Then we can say that both the triangles are congruent by ASA test. I hope you have understood about this test. Now let's move to the next slide. Now there are certain remaining elements, that is if a triangle is similar by AAA test, then there are three remaining sides. Then we can say that the sides are proportional. Then the reason has to be written as corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. If two triangles are similar by, for example, ASA test, then already two angles are congruent they have given. Remaining one more angle will be congruent. For that the reason will be corresponding angles of similar triangles are congruent. Same way about congruence of triangles. Okay, that is, for example, in congruence of triangles, for example, in congruence of triangle, if I say if a triangle is congruent by SAS test, if both the triangles are congruent by SAS test, then see already two sides are congruent they have given. Then the remaining one more side will be congruent. For that the reason will be corresponding sides of congruent triangles are congruent. In the same triangle, see, one SAS test, so one angle is congruent, remaining there are two pair of angles which are congruent. So for that the reason will be corresponding angles of congruent triangles are congruent. Now let's move to the next slide. See, this is practice set 1.3 first question. Here what they have given that angle ABC is equal to 75 degree and angle EDC is equal to 75 degree, and they have asked us to find whether any two triangles are similar. Now what I am going to do, I am going to draw two triangles separately. For example, let me draw triangle ABC and let me draw triangle EDC. Now see here, they have given this is 75 degree and they have also mentioned this is 75 degree. Now children, for any triangles to be similar, we have four tests, that is SSS, SAS, then AAA and AA. But here the information given is, they have given information about only one angle. That means at least one more angle should be given, but they have not mentioned anything. Then we have to find by ourselves. So here I came to know that angle ACB and angle DCE, they both are congruent. Why? Because they both are common angle. Okay, that is what I have written over here. Angle ACB is congruent to angle ECD, common angle, and first angle ABC is congruent to angle ECD. They both are 75 degree given. Now children, first thing, one more thing I forgot to tell you, that is while writing the name of the triangles over here, we should be very careful. For example, for the first triangle, if I write alphabets this way, A, B, C, then in the second triangle, find which angles are congruent. That is, here B is 75, then here D is 75. Angle C is congruent to angle C. Then the alphabet which is remaining in the third triangle, that is E, we will write. So the order of the triangle should be triangle ABC and triangle EDC. If this order is changed, then the sum will go wrong because we won't be able to write the proportional sides. So be very careful while writing the name of the triangles. So here, since two triangles are congruent, we can write that the two triangles are similar by a test of similarity. Now let's go to the next sum. In question number 2, see what they have given. They have given the length of three sides and we are asked to find whether the triangles are similar. Since three sides are given, we have to find whether, how we will find whether the triangles are similar. We can choose SSS test. This we can try to show the triangles are similar by this test. Then how? Let's see. See, they have given three sides. So let me find whether the sides are proportional. So first I have taken PQ upon LM, that is 6 upon 3. The ratio is 2 upon 1. Then I have taken QR upon MN, that is 8 upon 4 is 2 upon 1. Then third one, PR upon LN, that is 10 upon 5 is 2 upon 1. Now from these three, I have got that all the three ratios are equal. That means I have got that the three sides, corresponding sides are proportional. Since the sides are proportional, we can say that the triangles are similar by SSS test of similarity. Now let's go to the next sum. See here what they have given. There are two poles. Okay. So I have considered PR and I have considered AC as the poles. This is the PR is the smaller pole and AC is the bigger pole. And they have told they are perpendicular. Already it is written over the two poles of height 8 and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground, and the shadow of the smaller pole is QR, that is 6 centimeter, and the shadow of the bigger pole BC is X meter. It's not centimeter, it's meter. Then what they have asked us to find the length of the shadow of the bigger triangle. Now for this, first let us prove that the two triangles are similar. How we will prove? Now see, these two angles are 90 degree. Already they have given. Even if they have not given, we have to consider as 90 degree because always the poles will be perpendicular to the ground. So here in the first triangle I have written PRQ. Angle PRQ is equal to angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. Okay, since they are perpendicular. Next one, this angle RPQ is equal to CAB. These two are congruent. What is the reason? Because the shadow, both the shadows are cast at the same time. Okay, then they will be definitely congruent. Now we have got two angles, so we can say that both the triangles are similar by a test of similarity. Already we have learnt if the triangles are similar, then the sides are proportional. So I have written all the three sides. Okay, three sides. How we'll write the proportional? That is, here if the triangle's name is PQR and ABC, how do we write the proportional side? PQ upon AB is equal to QR upon BC is equal to PR upon AC. That is what I have written. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Now here there are three pairs we have written, but see, they have given information about PR, that is PR is given. They have given information about QR. they have given information about AC and BC is asked. So this ratio we don't need, so I am leaving that ratio in the next part. So I have written QR upon BC is equal to PR upon AC. Now we are going to substitute the values and we'll get the answer. So I have substituted the value and cross multiplied. Here 4 I have cancelled by 2 table. So I have got the length of the shadow of the bigger pole is 12 meter. Now let me go to the next one. See here, they have given all the information that in this triangle AP is, this is perpendicular, then Q is also, BQ is perpendicular to AC. We have to prove that these two triangles are similar. Now for your clear reference, I have drawn both the triangles separately, that is APC and BQC. Now see, again let me draw over here, that is triangle APC and triangle BQC. See here, this is 90 degree. They have already given the information. So how to write the order? That is, for example, you have written the first triangle. We have written this CPA. P is 90 degree here. Here Q is 90 degree. Both will come together. Then what is common? That is angle C is common in both. So here C means, here also I'll write C. Then which is the third alphabet left in the second triangle? B is left. So I'll be writing B. That means the name of the triangle will be triangle CPA and triangle CQB. This order shouldn't change. I told you already. So now with that, let's start. So I told you both are 90 degree and there was a common angle C. So both the triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. As we know, if the triangles are similar, we will be writing the proportional side. How to write the proportional side? Just now I told you CP upon CQ is equal to PA upon QB is equal to CA upon CB. Reason is corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. Again here they have given information about AP. So here AP is and BQ is 8. Where is BQ? This is 8 and BC is given. So this ratio we don't want. We will leave that and continue. Then whatever values they have given, I substituted and cross multiplied and finally I've got the value of CA or AC, both are same. Since in the answer they have asked us CA, I have replaced CA as AC. Okay. Now children, I'll stop over here today. See, I want you people, I'm requesting you all to make a 200-page geometry note and complete all that I have taught till today. Whenever the school reopens, I'll be looking into that book. As we know, practice makes a man perfect. So keep practicing all the sums again and again. Thank you. Have a good day.